calling. Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. But you love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, baby.
Key features: manual operation, hand crank for precise control, portable design, compact and lightweight for travel or home use, adjustable grind, allows for customizable grind settings, 304 stainless steel burrs, durable and resistant to corrosion, 7-core burrs, specially designed for efficient grinding, benefits: precise grind control, manual operation allows for precise grind adjustment, consistent grind. Stainless steel burrs ensure consistent grind quality. Portability, perfect for travel, camping, or office use. Durability, stainless steel construction ensures longevity. Additional considerations: grind quality. Assess the grind consistency and quality. Ease of use. Consider the manual operation and adjustability. Cleaning. Evaluate the ease of cleaning and maintenance. The 1zpresso Kultra coffee grinder is a high-quality, portable manual coffee mill designed for precision and durability. It features an adjustable grind size mechanism, allowing users to customize their grind for various brewing methods, such as espresso, pour over, or French press. The grinder is equipped with a special 7-core burr made from 304 stainless steel, which enhances grind consistency and efficiency while maintaining long-term sharpness and resistance to rust. This burr design is engineered to deliver a smooth and uniform grind, crucial for optimal coffee extraction. Its compact and robust build makes it ideal for both home use and travel, offering coffee enthusiasts a reliable and convenient tool for brewing fresh coffee anywhere.